This man asked the judge to be released from jail because he's supposed to get married next Sunday. Will the judge let him go?
So, Your Honor, in my matter, Mr. Artuso has a $1,000 10% bond that was set. He does have a cash or surety bond in Mr. Burgess's matter. Mr. Artuso, it seems as if he went into bench warrant status on Mr. Burgess's matter because he failed to appear to court. He did indicate that he came to court on that date, but he was under the impression his court date was set for 2 o'clock. When he did come, he stated he was here until the building closed and he left. Unfortunately, at that time, our office was not on his case, so he didn't call us. I'm unaware of his communications or if he was able to communicate with Mr. Burgess. So there was no opportunity to have a bench warrant recall.
So how did he come back into custody?
He was arrested on the bench warrant, Your Honor. There are no new charges.
So why didn't he come back to court?
I did ask him that as well.
Okay, and what was the answer?
He did not have an explanation, Your Honor.
Okay. Go ahead, I'm listening.
He did not have an explanation as to why he did not come back to the court, why he did not, contact the court to let them know that he tried to come. I did explain to him in the future if he's got any issues with his court dates that the clerk's office is right there at the front, that all he needs to do is speak with them and they'll advise him properly. The issue that we're having is in our case, the resolution that we're seeking to reach would require that he pay some restitution up front. Unfortunately, with him being in custody, Judge, he will not be able to do that. He is hopeful that the court would consider giving him a PR bond. I understand if a GPS tether is necessary to ensure his return to court. He has very minimal criminal history, to my understanding as well, but I'd like to see if he could get out so he could raise some money and pay off this restitution so we could get a resolution.
I was gonna ask you, Your Honor, worst comes worst, I know I could, it's Thursday, I'm scheduled to be married on Sunday. I could come in Monday and I could pay restitution, whatever it takes to pay.
Scheduled to be what?
Married this Sunday.
That is true, Your Honor. He did inform us of that. I don't know if his fiance and his mother are here, but prior to his being picked up, I think he was scheduled to be getting married this Sunday.
I'm not going to use that as a basis to. I mean, the problem is that you should have come back down to the court. If you waited here all day, you should have come to the court at some point. But we had to pick you up, bring you in. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Why? I guess. You just. Sometimes